Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Pro. Today, it's pumpkin season. And yes, you've seen other videos that we've done. There's so many fabulous things you can do with a fresh pumpkin. But the preparation is crucial. First off, give it a cut. Remove the top. Use an ice cream scoop and remove the guts. Clean it all out. I know that's extra work, and I know some people don't, but it really makes it last longer. Then, seal the inside with a spray of the Pam cooking spray. Just spray it all around, and what that does is it seals it, so it will last just a bit longer. Then, stay on trend, be eco-conscious, and rather than foam, set a glass vase right down inside. Fill it with water, and you're ready to design. Once you've done your flowers, you can always go back and add the lid, add a spider, add some spooky webs. You'll find more at flowerschool.com.